Today let's see some questions on time and work. So all time and work questions depend on one single thing, that is capacity. So capacity of doing work is work done by time taken. So in most of the question we will finding the capacity, so it will make our question like solving easier. So to find capacity, we assume the work as some unit, like 10 units, 100 units, or 1000 units, because similar things we have done in percentage chapter, like we assume percentage to be 100%, or many times we assume money to be 100 rupees. So why are we assuming this work? Because it will easy down our overall solving process, and it will be like we don't have to deal with too much of fractions, and it will be done very easily. So in most of the case we take LCM of the numbers given in the questions, so that it can easily be cancelled, and the numbers can easily be cancelled, and we don't have to go into deal with fractions. So for example, let's take an example. So A can do a work in 30 days, B can do a work in 40 days, and C can do a work in 60 days. So in question it is asked, then if A and B and C works together, then how much long it will take to complete the work. So here what we will do, we see that if we assume work, let work done, like total work be how much, 120 units. So why I have taken 120 units? Because 120 is easily divisible by 30, 40 and 60. So if 120 units of work is total and A takes 30 days, so what is the capacity of A? Capacity of A, 120 units by time, 30 days, so 4 units per day. Okay, so 4 units per day. Similarly for B will take 3 units per day, because he has taken 40. So 120 divided by 40, we get 3 units per day. Similarly for C, we will divide 120 by 60, so we will get 2 units per day. And total at end, if they work together, then we will add these 4, 3 and 2. So 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. So 9 units per day. So their efficiency is 9 units per day, and our total work that we assumed was 120 units. So total time, how much it will take? 120 units divided by 9 unit per day. So 120 by 9 days. So we will take one more question so that we can understand. So here you can see, if A does a work in 30 days and A and B together can do the work in 12 days, so how much days B will take if B alone does the work? So you can pause this video and try it by yourself. So okay, now let's start doing this. So we will take some number that is easily divisible by 12 and 30. So let work be 60 units, because we can see that 60 is divisible by 30. So what will be the capacity of A? So capacity of A is, actually we don't have to calculate also, we can directly see. So 60 divided by 30, so 2 units per day. And for A plus B, 60 divided by 12, so it will be 5 units per day. Okay, so if A does 2 units per day and both does 5 units per day, then what will be the capacity of B? So 5 minus 2, that is 3 units per day, and our work was 60 units. So time taken by B will be 60 divided by 3, so it will be 20 days. So I hope that you can see that if we assume work to be some divisible number, then it will be making our overall process easier, and we don't have to deal with fractions. So thank you.